Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: A Beginner's Guide to One-Hot Encoding in Python. Introduction. One-hot encoding is a technique used in machine learning and data pre-processing to convert categorical variables into a binary matrix representation. This tutorial will explain what one-hot encoding is, why it's important, and how to implement it in Python using various libraries such as scikit-learn and pandas. What is one-hot encoding? In machine learning, many algorithms cannot work directly with categorical data, they require numerical input. One-hot encoding is a method used to convert categorical variables into a binary matrix where each category is represented by a binary value. For example, consider a categorical variable color with three categories: red, green, and blue. After one-hot encoding, each category will be represented by a binary vector, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1, respectively. Implementing one-hot encoding in Python. We'll explore two popular libraries for implementing one-hot encoding in Python: scikit-learn and pandas. Conclusion. One-hot encoding is a crucial pre-processing step in machine learning when dealing with categorical data. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of one-hot encoding and demonstrated how to implement it using Python with the help of scikit-learn and pandas libraries. By converting categorical variables into a binary matrix representation, one-hot encoding enables machine learning algorithms to effectively process categorical data. ChatGPT.